Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Deidran. Dancehall artist Agent Sasco recruits Bounty Killer and Kabaka Pyramid for the remix for his summer anthem Loco. On the Teflon Zing Fence produced track, the artists hit out against the different forms of injustice and negative energies, along with other issues that are deemed local.
Loco, the guns coming in by the boatload. Juvenile, them about no pro. Hello, loco, man, no one, now, me no friend, no folk. This and the general, and me no run from popo.
Loco with a whole flow in a chokehold. Yeah. This old soul is so cold, snow cold.
Loco is the first single that will be featured on Agent Sasco's upcoming EP, slated for release later this year. Agent Sasco shot the video for the single at a deserted street in Kingston. In July, he performed Loco and Hope River as part of the Live Nation Urban Weekly Instagram Live series.
You know, so the world I move away, you know? So listen to this. Let's go! Yeah, watch out now. Hey, follow me now. Crazy, I'm on a set. Loco.
Now, reggae artist Dre Island recently released the deluxe edition of his debut album, Now I Rise. The project boasts 17 tracks and is an extended version featuring 4 new songs. On the project, Dre Island teams up with Grammy-winning hip-hop star Wyclef Jean. Now I Rise Deluxe also features TVJ and Australian-based electronic artist WFX. Dre Island got his big break when he dropped the hit track We Pray featuring Popcorn.
We pray, we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray.
The track currently has over 28 million views on YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.